So you got accepted for the YesStyle Influencer Program. Good job, good job. But now what? Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you watched my last video on how to become a YesStyle influencer, this is part 2. In today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly what to do after becoming a YesStyle influencer, how to set everything up, how to start earning the commission that I was talking about, and how can you actually grow with this. This is my profile. I recently turned a superstar influencer, which is the highest tier and you get the most benefits out of it. Honestly, I have no idea how I got this far. Yes, people enjoy my content and they use my code. Thank you for anyone who used my code. I really am so grateful for you. I have a e-certificate that I will attach here that I reached the superstar tier. Make sure your profile is completed. You go to my profile here. As you can see, you get 100 YesStyle points, which is I think $1. Make sure your account settings are correct. You can connect your YesStyle account to multiple channels like Facebook, Google, TikTok, whatever you choose. Make sure your birthday is correct, so YesStyle will send you something for your birthday. I don't know what that birthday gift is. We'll find out in August because that's when my birthday is. You can see the order history of all of your orders. Here, when you write a review for any of the products, for example this one, you can submit a written review or a video review and you get YesStyle points for that. YesStyle points can be exchanged for your orders. As you can see here, I also have a sponsored product and a glow up product, which are entirely for free. I didn't pay anything for those. The sponsored product you can get from when you go to my account, click on the influencer program details and you scroll down to this page, and as you can see, these are the 3 sponsored products right here that you can choose from. Usually they're claimed very fast, so I would suggest picking the one that you think can create a good content from. This product is entirely for free. If you only order that product, you only need to pay for the shipping. I already claimed mine, so I cannot claim another one. You can only claim one product, sponsored product per month. And for the glow up product, YesStyle usually updates those products at 4 a.m. so it's really hard for me to actually get one. I have to stay up or wake up really early in order to claim one of those glow up products. It's a bit tricky to find them on this web page. On the phone app it's way easier, but if you write glow up YesStyle in Google, you see the first link and I believe it should redirect you. Yeah, it redirects you to the glow up page, where as you can see right now it says coming soon. Usually they add products almost every day here, but for people that are in Europe it's really difficult to claim them because, as I said, they get updated basically in the middle of the night when you're sleeping. A minimum purchase of $29 or €25 is required to claim the giveaway products. So here you need to have some type of order that fits the minimum requirements in order to claim that product. The sponsored product is entirely for free. You just need to pay for the shipping. I needed to order some things, and because I used my YesStyle points, I had some commission left from people using my code. I think I used some coupon codes and another influencer code. That price dropped to €13, so I didn't pay €25. My commission balance, like a week ago, I have my first referral, so someone used the link that I provided in my last video in the description. I used my link to basically join the influencer program. They got accepted, and I believe you need to make a first order. Let's check that. So if you again go to the my influencer program details and you scroll down, you can see these influencers referring influencers. You can earn up to 100 per month. So how the influencer referring influencer works: you invite a potential influencer with your unique referral link from my account. Invited influencer signs up for the YesStyle Influencer Program using your referral link and is approved. The invited influencer refers an order using their influencer code or link within 6 months, which means every time someone uses the code of the person who got signed up and approved with your link, you get a $10 commission when the order is fulfilled. You can earn up to $100 in commission total per month. So this is a example of a brand invitation campaign that sometimes YesStyle will choose some influencers to basically receive some set of products. As you can see here, this Medicube set, which unfortunately I cannot claim because the code that I got has been already claimed by a lot of people, and I never had any issues with that. I already claimed I think 3 campaigns. For some reason it says that my code is invalid and I cannot basically use it. I contacted YesStyle 2 times already, their customer service. They didn't say anything as of yet. I hope in my next video I will have more information about this because it's a bit annoying. You don't pay for shipping here, which is really nice, and you get free products, free set of products sometimes. So you go to YesStyle Influencer's Instagram account. As you can see here, there's a lot of challenges, giveaways, reviews, and in order to participate in most of them, some of them don't require this. They need to only for you to comment or do something. In order to basically have a chance to receive some sets of products, you need to go to the link tree of YesStyle. These are the influencer campaigns that basically you need to fill out a Microsoft form that I was talking about in the first video. You write your email address, your rewards code, your TikTok. There's a bunch of things you need to fill out in order to participate in this giveaway. If you don't apply or you don't fill out these forms in a matter of time, you don't get a chance to basically receive any of these products. So I highly advise you to always check the YesStyle Influencers Instagram account or TikTok. I think, yeah, they have TikTok account as well, and you check what they have in store because, for example, this campaign is only 48 hours, so you only have 48 hours to apply for it. If you are a fresh YesStyle influencer, you need to definitely fill out the welcome kit. You can definitely win this if you have just joined the program. This is actually the first form that I would advise you to fill out. Of course, the form changes every month, so if, for example, you get approved in February, March, please fill out the February or March form in order to receive really good sets of products. When you receive the products, make a video about them. If you want, you can make a whole video about a set or a specific product. That's your choice, honestly. You always get some advices on how you should basically create the content, what hashtags to use, who to tag. That is always explained to you, so don't worry about that. Once you get approved, please put your rewards code everywhere, in your bio, in the videos you post. You need to basically promote that code because that's the only way you can earn from YesStyle. Free products are great, honestly. I really appreciate that, but it's really nice if you earn some money. And as you can see in my commissions tab, you can see a cash out of $90. This is the first money I have received from YesStyle, which is pretty nice, I must say. And I've only been on the platform for 2 months, 3 months max. I think I started in November, around late November. So this is possible. You need to promote your code everywhere in order to earn. That's That's a must. Post consistently, that's super important. If you can do it every day, do it every day. If you want this to work, you should treat it like a business, not a hobby. And don't get discouraged if your views are low. My views are also low right now, and I do get discouraged at some points, but I know that that's the only way I can grow. Post even when the views are low. You will improve eventually. The more you post, the more you create content, the more it gets better and you get better at it. So that's everything you need to know once you become a YesStyle influencer. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, comment below if you're part of the program as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.